The main bathroom has a power shower that comes off the combi boiler. To use the shower, you have this bar here. The thermostat dial is on the right hand side and the water dial is on the left. To change the temperature, you can just turn this to your desired temperature. If it's towards you, this will become hotter and signified by the greater number, so it's 38 degrees. If you turn it away, then it becomes colder. You've got 30 degrees and there's 15 just below here. To turn on the water, you turn this towards you. The more you turn it towards you, the more water that will flow. To turn it off, turn it away from you. If the height of the shower head isn't to the right position, then you can change this. So just push your thumb on here, and then there's a button behind the back here, and you just push that in, and then you can just lower this or raise it. And that's how to use the shower. Thank you.